So hello friends, so in this Numpy tutorial series we will learn about copy as your view in array. So how we can do that? So let's check it out and do it. So first of all we will create an array. So I have just copied, so I will just copy that. So this is our array name is np_arr and np.array is the function. So we just run this array. So we have a array here, but next thing is we want to do slicing. So slicing of this array, so I will give a name sliced dot arr is the name, and what I will do, I will just slice from my array values from 2 to 5, and then what I will do, I will just go up or I will copy it. So I will just go there and copy the name and just, so we have sliced the array. So this is basically slicing the values of array and storing in a new variable slice array. But like if you want to change the value of this slice array, now I will change its value, whatever value is there I will change this value. So I go there and here I will give it value is equal to 0 for all, like 3 4 6 will be 0. So I will copy this again and put it here and run it. So now we have array with 0 0 0 as our elements, where earlier it was 3 4 5. But the thing is that if I will type my arr here and run it, so it even change the values in our main array too, because it's just a view of our main array. Like now main array which we have made in the beginning is just a view of that. We haven't copied it to another one and showing it. So it's basically giving us the view. So sliced array is just giving us the view of our main array arr, the array which we have made in the beginning. So it is basically just broadcasting or seeing our main array values, and just it's just a like is a view of that. But if you want to copy that, in that case what I will do, I have to give here dot copy, and then I will go to our cells and say run all. So it gives some error here. Okay, we have to just close it also, and then I have to go here and run all. Now you will see, like after giving copy here, we just copy the array. So it's now the copy. So giving it a copy, then we have to give this dot copy command inside our new array. So that's all in this video.